What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I look busted, but I'm determined. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're doing today, okay? But before we get started, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I know you thinking like, what is she doing? Yeah, I am making little like swatch sticks, okay, or practice sticks. So this is for the people who don't have any like actual swatch sticks at home, because I left mine all in my studio, okay? So all you need is a gel full cover tip or half tip, gel top coat, a wooden stick, and an LED light. There you go. You got something to practice with, okay? So that's what I'm doing. And I needed this because I know y'all have been seeing that viral cat eye heart design, okay? I know Valentine's Day is gone, but guess what? That is still a good design to have in your arsenal, so you know how to do it. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you would need, as you can see, paper clip, those swatch sticks, a strong magnet. I have a little magnet. I'm going to show y'all why you need a strong one, okay? But anyway, you're going to need, like I said, your LED light, your swatch sticks, a little palette, a magnet, a strong magnet, and some paper clips. Now, you might need some needle nose pliers and some wire cutters, because my hands ain't built for bending paper clips left and right. But if you can do that, girl, feel free. I couldn't. And the brand that I use for gel polish, this pretty cat eye, I think it's called Gale. Anyway, I looked it up. People said it in different ways, but here we go. As you can see here, I just folded it in half. Y'all gonna see me fail, because we both gonna fail together, girl. Okay? We're gonna fail together. So I straightened out my paper clip. I turned it, twisted it about 3 or 4 times. Now, I didn't get it right the first time, and that's okay. That is okay. Now, I tried to like keep it. I was like, nah, I don't like how that looks. So just get you another one, okay? Now, with the size of the paper clips, you don't want a really short one, and you don't want a super duper long one either. Like, you want one that's kind of in the middle. So I will say the best way to measure it is with probably like your hand file. So if it's like half the size of your hand file, then you know, okay, this is a decent length. That's the length that I was practicing with. That's the length that I got the results with, okay? If you get the results with a smaller paper clip, cool, whatever, what have you. Anyway, as you can see, we bend that thing in half and twist it about 3 to 4 times, okay? Now, the V part is gonna be uneven, or if it's not uneven, good for you. You a perfect girl. You can keep going. Now with that V, I made it shorter. Now you can bend them more towards each other or make it a little wider. Remember, the wider your V is, the more of a rounder heart you will have, and the closer the V is, the more narrow and longer your heart will be. Now, as you can see, I was just trying to make sure I got it as even as possible. Also, y'all, please have on some safety for your eyeballs. All right? Safety first. Safety first. Should have said that earlier, but I'm saying it now. Now, after you get it to the desired length and shape, bend that in half. Just like that. Now, after it's bent in half, you see how the points are kind of like pointing down. The first time I did practice with this, I did get best results with it kind of angled down, but you'll see what I mean by you need a pretty strong magnet. So that little bitty magnet that you probably got that came with your set, it's probably not gonna work, sis. I'm going to tell you that now. It's not gonna work. You need a stronger magnet, okay? And I did get this from Amazon, okay? Now the first magnet I did have, it was a magnet that you use on cars. Like, look at that. Look at that little bitty thing. Look at that little magnet. It didn't do anything. So honestly, I'm not gonna waste y'all time even trying to play with that. Now, you can keep your little magnet, and reason being is because you do want to be able to manipulate those particles, like the glitter particle. I said particles. Particles to, the best of your advantage, however you want it. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't talk today. Anyway, as you can see, I'm not taking off. I'm not adding on more products, okay? I'm just, kind of redoing my canvas pretty much. So, as you see with that gel polish, it applies it pretty evenly. At least the glitter, it applies it really evenly. And that's when you want to put your magnet at like a 90-degree angle. But as you can see, I kind of touched it, so you want to have it kind of parallel to the nail, and I'll show y'all what I mean. So like I said, see, I'm not adding more product, I'm just resetting my canvas. Okay, so with me resetting my canvas, so you can see, boom, you might want to do it as quickly as possible. Once you get the desired, like once you get that peak, and when you see, you'll see what I mean when you do get it. You need to move that magnet as quick as possible, because if you don't, it's gonna just mess up the design. So look, kind of make it parallel to the nail, like the same level as the nail. That is so cute. I thought it was so cute. But also, you got to be careful when you're trying to do multiple hearts, because you'll see what I mean. Like your magnet is so strong, it's going to disrupt the other hearts. So if you're a person that's wanting to do multiple hearts on one nail, I would probably suggest you flash cure in between. But this little design was so cute. When I say it took me about a week to get it, y'all, I struggled, okay? But now it came out super duper cute. I think the easiest way to do it is on like that corner or edge of the nail, okay? Now again, like I said before, make sure your magnet is strong. Make sure you have a medium length paper clip, okay? Also, your paper clip, it needs to be straight up metal. It doesn't need to have like that little colorful plastic covering on it, because it's gonna disrupt how strong the magnet is with the paper clip, if that makes sense. But anyway, you guys, look at this. That's all that little magnet is good for, okay? It's good for manipulating the cat eye polish, making it have that velvet look that we like. But as far as doing this paper clip heart DIY thingy, that thing ain't no good, okay? Get you a strong magnet so you can end up with results like that. Boom. Period. Anyway, you guys, I thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. And I will see you guys in the next upload. The next upload will probably be in regards to something dealing with the season of Pisces, because I'm feeling real Pisces-y lately. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.